Hello, Driving Impact Collective, the top 5% method. This is Katheline, your podcast host, and today I was reflecting as we're walking towards the 4th of July. You do not know where life and where your dreams are going to lead you, because sometimes we have a clear idea of what we want to do, where we want to go, and we have this fixed idea of what the future looks like. And this is so funny because when I was interviewing B. Scott Taylor, who sold his business for $89 million and who didn't know either where his life was going to bring him, he just believed in himself. I was similar. I thought I was going to be a writer, that I was going to live in Paris, and I ended up in Silicon Valley. So listen to this episode, and I just want to invite us all to be open-minded about what the path would look like and what the journey that will unfold for us 20, 30 years later would look like, because we have no idea. So we just want to be open-minded and follow the path. Before I get started, I have an ask. We've had 95,000 downloads in the past 30 days, but only 3% of you follow us, which would help grow our community of growth-oriented, kindred souls who are eager to drive impact in their life and their career. So give us a follow on Spotify, Apple, or any platform that you use to listen to your podcast. My personal mission is to be able to bring the light that people need the light in this world, and I'm putting my 20-year career at your service, so thank you. No, I mean, my dream was to be a writer, and because I was reading all these French existentialist books, and then I went and I did poetry, and I was touring for poetry, and then my sister said, well, you should do rap. So I didn't know I was ending up in tech. I thought my dream was to be in Paris, to be a writer when I was a kid, and then after that, it was to become the best French rapper in France, and it didn't happen because I couldn't sign the record deal with that rock label. Long story. So I didn't know that the dream would be redirected to an obsession with Silicon Valley, with tech. And while I was in the arts, I studied journalism. Then I went in tech and spent a lot of time in tech. And then 15 plus years later, I'm back in the mic. 1, 2, 1, 2.
Bonjour, comment ça va?
Bonjour, ça va? No, it's like test 1, 2. Back on the mic because the thing is, I started when I was 5-year-old playing Mozart on the scene. Welcome to Driving Impact.